What's up everyone, and today we're going to be showing you how you can bypass Beyond, GoGuardian and any sort of MDM software that they are using to monitor you, whether you're at school, at work, or anywhere that your computer is being monitored by such software. This solution can run without admin privileges and does not require to do any kind of network fuckery. So let's get onto it, and it's also very inconspicuous. So, let's say that for example, here I am, pretending to study. But hey, I wanna play a game, I'm done with my studying. Yeah, I'm totally done with my studying. By the way, this is a simulated scenario. I'm not even in high school anymore. But you know, it's just an example. So let's say that for example, I don't know, play some Minecraft. Well, I would, for example, boot it up over here. Here's my Minecraft installation. It beats the point. And what do we have here? Here we have the program that we're going to be using. By the way, if you're wondering, yes, this does work on OBS and of course on all the other softwares I mentioned. I even went through the trouble of setting up Beyond and testing it. Maybe later I'll post a video showing it bypassing Beyond. But right now, OBS is a good proof of concept. So let's say that I want to play Minecraft, but I don't want, of course, the teacher to remote in and see me play Minecraft. Well, that's very simple. You just start winhider GUI, minimize Explorer, and even better, you can already make the program invisible and hide it from the taskbar. Well, it works sometimes. The hide taskbar feature, it's a bit experimental, but still, I don't think they're gonna like figure out what you're running here. If they ask, you can just say it was some weird driver thing and act dumb. But for example, here we have Prim's launcher. So what we can do is hide from screen share. And right now I'm able to interact with it. I can click buttons on it. Right now I'm swapping through different instances. So how do we pretend that we're doing our work? Very simple. We put our browser in full screen. Now we go to the program that we have hidden, run it. I know I also gotta hide Minecraft, but I'm gonna do it right now as soon as it starts up, because no, you cannot hide programs before they start, though you could make a script that makes the program start, and then using the same winhider tool in CLI mode, just make it automatically hide it through using a batch file. That's something you could also do. And here probably you're only seeing Minecraft starting and the browser in the background. Launcher is hidden. We wait for it to load. You could do something like minimizing it until it's loaded. And then once it's loaded, we can go here in the program that you cannot see right now. I've just refreshed the list and select Java W. That is Minecraft. It's just not called Minecraft. I select hide from screen share, and hide from taskbar, and hide from taskbar. Let me check here. And while it hasn't hidden from the taskbar, it definitely will not show up when I try to play. Here I am in the game, and as you can probably see, oops, I have to put this back in. Let's go. Now it's fine. And I can play, click around. I could even get on a single player world. But I'm not gonna do it. This is already enough of a proof of concept. So yeah, right now I'm here with the game started. If anyone were to remote in, all they will see is the browser with that, the Roman Empire. That's all they will see. Here we are back. I've unhidden all programs. Now you can see that this shows back up again. And we're done. There's not really much mystery to the... Oops. Yeah, it also has hotkeys. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. But I don't usually use them. So yeah, this is all the mystery this program has. There's not really much more anything to it. You can use it to kill processes for some reason. The hide and unhide taskbar thing sometimes work. When I tried it with Beyond, it worked, so maybe OBS cannot be fooled with the taskbar, but Beyond can, which is actually what we want. We don't care about something like OBS. We care about stuff like Beyond or Go Guardian. That's the type of stuff we don't want to work. So yeah, I hope you found this useful, and see you